Hi there, this is Dave from Little Acorns Forest Schools Limited. Today we're using the Billhook. All right, we use the Billhook as we progress along the tools. All right, and this is much more detailed and much more difficult. All right, so it comes much further down the line. Is a Billhook. This is the handle, this is the blade, this is the blade cover. I take the blade cover off like this. This is the cutting edge. When I finish using the Billhook, I replace it, the blade cover like this. I hold the Billhook like this and I walk with it like this. I hand it over like this. I use the Billhook for snedding or brushing. I use the Billhook 2 arms and a tool length away from anybody else unless I'm working with a partner. I wear gloves. Okay, when I'm not using the Billhook, I'll place it down on the ground so that the handle faces forward and the blade points towards me. And when I finish using the Billhook, I replace it back into the toolbox or designated tool area. That's this is the Billhook. We've come to the end of the session now, and we're going to be cleaning our Billhook. First thing we're going to do is take the cover off, have a look at the blade itself, use the wire wool to remove any bits of vegetation from the side here. Okay, you can do this with a gloved hand. That's no problem. There we go. There we are. Okay, now we've got that, then we've cleaned that off. You'll see that this Billhook here is only sharpened on one side. Some of them are sharpened on both sides. This particular one is only sharpened on one. What we're going to use on this one, going to use a cigar stone, and the way that we're going to do this is like this. As we come down around the blade, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the cigar stone, and the way that I'm going to do it is like this. Look, there we go. Okay, like that. It's important for us to see get that roll around the corner there, because we are trying to make sure that the actual hook part of the Billhook is sharpened as well. There we go. Once we've finished with that, quick clean off, quick use of WD-40 onto the blade itself, and then we can place that back into the cover, making sure the press stud fastening works. Okay, and then replace this back into the box.